this is the main house, as you can see.
I prioritize, yeah. When you in my life, yeah, I'ma pull up on you like real quick. I ain't one like you will see.
So today's episode is beginning in Kitale. In Kitale? Huku kunaitwa aje? BD farm. You have some rabbits over here. Are these rabbits or bunnies?
Yeah. Gasoline, kerosene,
This is Suleiman, this is Denver. This is the big man Bazoo. Endeni kazi. Na kutafuta ukiendesha tinga. Nile tinga ya Guga. Ya kitambo Ford. Unajua kuendesha hiki kitu?
You ain't gotta beg, you're a priority. Let me know what you want.
Kwa kuna apartment mmezoea Nairobi. So this is a typical house here at the village. It's made of mud and sticks. Kuna wenye naonaga wakimix yo mud na cow dung.
Everything you need like quick trip.
So guys, this is where we are going. Here. To see how Kobe looks like. Atuya naitwa aje?
Got the swag, you make me laugh and you so cool.
Guys, this is Kitale. So we are here. Should I be careful? Kuingia. Let's see Kobe. Kobe, akona bling bling. Anaweza nibakia. Kobe? Good girl. How old? 6 months. Yeah, no wonder bado maski jasimama kabisa. Relax.
Easy boy, easy. Come.
Running smart.
I'ma pull up on you like real quick.
Kobe.
Like you will see. Everything you need like quick trip. In my life, I'ma pull up on you like real quick. I ain't one like you will see. Everything you need like quick trip. Yeah. Let me know what you want.
What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, feel most welcome. My name is Melvin. So guys, if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? So today's episode is beginning in Kitale. Sini Kitale? Huku kunaitwa aje? BD farm. So guys, this is my cousin. He's called Nimrod. Sindio? Nimrod gani tena? We know Nimrod. Exactly, Nimrod. So this is Nimrod and we are actually at my cousin's place. So this is going to be some sort of farm video. Nionyeshe venye huku ushago kwetu kuko. Sindio? And actually guys, today I'm not with Wolf. Mkai mkijua hivyo. Today I'm not with Wolf. I wasn't able to come with him today. But here at the farm we have some dogs and jamani rasta by the way. Hii ni genje. Yeah, so today I want to just show you around the farm, tuonyeshe random shots of how this place looks like. And yeah, actually there are some monkeys, kunadi the German Shepherd.
By then, sinamaliza tu hii episode na
tunaishia, si ndio? Sa kabla hata tuende, we have some other cousins over there, acha niwaonyeshe. So guys, this is actually where we slept last night. No, this is not where we slept. This is just my cousin's place, home. And yeah, this is the compound area. As you can see over there, we have some cows. They are just grazing. So this is a typical farm life, as you can see. So the main house is just over there, somewhere over there. And yeah, so let me just show you. My small nephew over here ametokea, atawasalimia. Kyle. Sasa. So guys, Dimbo Gigenje. Kwa majina?
Someone ile msee.
Someone kabisa. Uko na Instagram? Uko na Instagram na kutag?
Hata kayo ni Instagram.
Aya. And these guys over here, this is Moni, my cousin, and Marvin over there.
What up people? Your boy Malo hapa hivi.
Malo hawezi kosa Instagram.
Yeah,
Alafu we have our small niece. Alicia, sasa.
Baby shark. What up, baby shark? Say hi, look at the camera.
Kyle.
Yeah, baby
Kyle.
shark.
And this is my nephew Kyle.
Say hi, Kyle.
Sasa hapa tuko tu tunaonja mandunya mdonye.
Umeweza?
Ziko sawa. Hizi nani alipika?
Si mimi hapa.
Wewe umepika?
Andeswa.
Na wale wako pale wanajificha. Anasema ati wana makeup. So kila mtu kwa dirisha yake. Mtatokea tu saa yake. So guys, hizi ndunya by then ni tamu, and my cousin is the one who actually made them. And yeah, so I want to take you to see it's like a German Shepherd dog. Sorry. So guys, I want to take you to see another German Shepherd dog, which is actually here at the farm. I don't know if it's a pure breed, but you know, we are here on this channel because of our pets. And if you are a dog lover, hit a like, support this channel. This mandazi is so sweet.
Up. Sit. Come get it. Come get it.
Burusha tuone kama ataendea. Mnusishe kwa mdomo alafu urushe. Rusha mbele.
Hey! Koko inaingia mashimoni. Koko inakulanga na
Luffy.
It's like stop playing with me, man.
Luffy. That to end. So guys, I actually want to show you the main house here, and I'm going to be taking you around. There's actually a deserted swimming pool. So alikuwa anacheza basketball ndani. So guys, this is the main house, as you can see. We have some rabbits over here. Are these rabbits or bunnies? Home.
Ndiko alikam nazo mbili tu. Karibu ite.
Hizo masungura. Na kuna zinakaa hapa. There's some others up here. Denver sukuja tu salimiane. This is Suleiman, this is Denver. This is the big man Bazoo. Endeni kazi. Na kutafuta ukiendesha tinga.
Old jeep.
At this is a jeep. So nile tinga ya Guga ya kitambo Ford. Unajua kuendesha hiki kitu? Wango. Hebu shika hapa nijaribu kupanda hapo juu.
Okay.
Hiki kitu si ni chuma tu mzee. Kabisa. Kibigi. Hii inasonga hii? Mzae.
Sinasonga?
Inasonga hii. Unajua kupeleka?
Ina move tena fiti.
Sasa. We are heading to see Kobe. Wanasema ni German Shepherd.
Long coat.
They are saying they have a German Shepherd long coat. Unfortunately today you don't have Wolf with us. So I actually came to Kitale for a specific event. Well, otherwise I decided to just at least vlog so that you can see the farm life over here. As you can see, it's just in the rural areas. And yeah. So these are the surroundings. This is Kitale, by the way. BD Farm.
BD Ranch.
Oh, BD Ranch. But it's big and I'm going to be taking you around. Manyani tutapata wapi these monkeys?
Tutazimalizia, tutatoka huko na Kobi tukienda lapi bo chini.
Sawa, utabeba Kobi? Kona nyororo?
Iko na nyororo huko.
Sawa.
Kobi yako sawa.
Kwani kwa kina Kobi ni wapi?
Kina Kobi ni pale juu. Na pale juu.
Wapi?
Pale kwa kona. La kiboma iko pale.
Oh. So this is typical farm life. Kwa kuna apartment mmezoea Nairobi. At lift. Actually, I was showering today in the morning. Huh? There is only one shower in the whole. This is a village, isn't it?
A village.
Yeah. In the whole community, there is only one hot shower, and when I was showering, your maji ilienda. The water got cut short. I know you know that feeling. Nale ni kina nani kule? This is a he-goat.
Choosing the beat.
So this is a typical house here at the village. It's made of mud and sticks. Kuna wenye naonaga wakimix hiyo mud na cow dung. Hii jamix hiyo na cow dung, si ndio? This is just thick clay.
Okay. Hata walikuwa watu hapo.
Yaani walichimba na wakaijenga.
Watu hapo walikata hapa miti.
We are entering this planted forest.
Maybe I ain't ndo ati nini. Amenunua.
Huku kuna mto.
Kwenye shamba ya shoshi na ikia. Ni distance kiasi lakini.
Na imagine. Inaonyesha hiyo shamba ni big.
Unajua tu mwisho wa shamba. Rive sasa. Hizo place time plan yangu Kitale alikuwa na plan. Hata kati jenge dam kubwa huko. Ni kama 30 acres. Mashamba.
Maisha ya huku. Hata hizi sengenge ziko Nairobi.
Ala, yenyewe sengenge ziko. Hadi place Zito alikuwa na stay huko. Huko Dago kwa time ya kwanza huko. Ilikuwa machoche sana.
Twende.
Ndo means of transport.
Manze huku hakuna matatu.
It's means of transport.
And how much is it from
here to town? 50.
Yeah, so guys, this is Western. Just look at how people cultivate their lands. But sai kuna kisola. There's a lot of
That is property ya shoshi.
hii yote.
Kwenye iko tu hivyo. Hapo ndo kina Kobi. Kabatia red hapo.
So guys, this is where we are going. Here. To see how Kobe looks like. And I think we're going to go on a walk with him. A short walk, then we get back home. Atuya naitwa aje?
Huyu mtambui. Yenyeji.
And his brother over here. Ni wale wa kuchinjwa. Unajua ndume zi uchinjwa.
Kakisha naona.
Na hapa kandama. There's a newly born.
Ni kama 3 months ama 2 months.
Yeah, this is a calf. Guys, this is Kitale. If you are a homie wa huku, drop in the comment section and salimiana hapo kidogo.
For my greetings.
You see, that's the main means of transport over here if you don't have a car.
Here.
So we are here. Should I be careful? Kuingia. Ako out. So guys, we are at Nimo's friend over here, and this is their home, and this is where they have a German Shepherd. And since guys, you know I love dogs, I had to come and at least show you guys kuna hadi Shepherd Kitale. Yeah, I'm hoping you're going to enjoy this content, so kindly don't mind giving this video a thumbs up and also subscribing to this channel, and that will be supporting my content. Alafu kumendaje?
Let me get Kobe.
Ako hapa? Ngoja amefungwa.
Kobe.
Let's see Kobe.
Come.
Kobe.
Come boy. Come.
Haezi niuma. See them.
Damn. Come boy. Come.
Ako na bling bling.
Come. Tani mleteo chakula ndo atoke na wewe.
Anaweza nibakia. Kobe. Kobe is shy. Kobe.
Kobe ni muone.
Kobe.
Come boy. Kobe. Come.
So we are actually tricking her with a
Come.
shika nyororo.
Come boy.
Ilete hapa kwa mlango.
Kobe come. Chani mdai.
This guy has to get in there.
Okay.
Good girl.
What up? Kobe. Dishi, bro. Come.
Okay, let's see Kobe. Kobe? Good girl. Haya, na ni kazuri. Huyu ni Shepherd. How old?
6 months.
6 months?
Yeah.
Yeah, no wonder bado maski jasimama kabisa. Relax.
Easy boy, easy. Come.
Twende. Ama utangoja? Asi, tunaweza enda.
Piga lap kidogo.
Nini?
Na ni smart.
Come smart. Sit bro. Sit.
Wow.
Wewe.
Anaona nikaa ni mimi ni mbaya. Kobe. Mlimtoa wapi?
Tulimtoa kwa China.
Basi tutembee at least nione wenye yako.
Tutembe mpaka hapo kwako na turudi.
Ndio toka ni magi nendanga mpati mpaka huko.
Nitambua hivi.
Kobe. Kujeni hivi.
Nini nafunga hapa?
Kobe mlete hivi.
Mlete huko.
Kobe.
Easy boy.
Kobe.
That's Kobe.
Guys, this is Kobe. She's a bit nervous because I'm new. And she was thinking I was holding something that I'm going to hurt her with. But she's okay. She's actually 6 months of age. And as you can see, she's big. And the ears are actually going to be pointed when she gets to, let's say, 8 months, 1 year. They're going to be straight, pointed. Yeah, good girl. She's just picked this. Give me. Kobe.
Release Kobe. Easy.
Good girl.
Come.
Girl. She's a short coat.
She's a short coat.
Actually, no, this is a medium coat.
Yeah.
Medium coat.
But I guess
Short coat ni ile yenye haina nywele mingi. Kuna double coat, medium coat, short coat, then
long coat.
long coat. She's going to be a big girl. Let me see if she can walk with me. So, Kobe, twende. Good girl. Good girl. So guys, if you're interested in maybe getting a German Shepherd puppy, I can hook you guys up. My number is just right there on the screen.
Now that's the owner.
Nimekuja, si nilikwambia nitakuja.
Sawa.
Ako aje, si ni mpoa wako?
Hapo poa.
Good girl. Unajua nikikuja alikuwa ananibwekea? Good girl.
Kobe, alafu tarudi ndani. Ni muda.
Ndamweka fadhi. Wewe nimetoa tu.
Good girl. Sit. I just no, but who ataenda kuwa long hair?